this video, I'm going to show you how you can update TradingView app. So if you want to get the latest features that comes with this TradingView app, and also if you want to fix any issues related to your app, then the best thing to do is to go ahead and update it to the latest version. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do to update this TradingView app, you need to go ahead and search for this app either through Google Play Store or App Store if you're on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go to Play Store here and then use this search icon to just search for the app. And here is my TradingView app. If I tap on it, you can see we have an update. So to update it, go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of TradingView app and then install it on your smartphone. Once your app has been installed, you'll be able now to start tracking all your markets with the latest information. So here we go. Now we have the app installed. Go ahead and tap on open to start using the latest version of TradingView app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.